Be ready. By way of this writ petition, the petitioners have assailed order dated 15/5/2025 in terms whereof the appeal filed by the petitioners under Section 93 of the HP Cooperative Societies Act 1968 has been dismissed by the authority by assigning the following reasons. After carefully examining the petition, documentary evidence, and oral submissions made by math parties, arrive at the following findings. The petitioners have failed to establish that the election process was initiated 90 days the expiry of the term of the previous managing committee as mandated under Rule 38(3) of the HP Cooperative Societies Rules 1971. The material on record confirms that the elections held on 22/11/2023 were not conducted in conformity with the procedure laid down in Appendix A of the said rules. Accordingly, the election of the committee stands vitiated by procedural irregularity. In light of the above findings and upon due consideration of the pleadings and the law applicable thereto, I am of the considered opinion that the order passed by the Assistant Registrar Cooperative Societies Seymour dated 26/11/2024 does not suffer from any legal infirmity and is hereby affirmed. The appeal stands dismissed. There shall be no order as to costs. Orders kept reserved on 8/5/2025 are released today. Let the records be consigned to record room. Brief facts necessary for the adjudication of this petition are that a dispute arose with regard to the elections held for the constitution of the Managing Committee of Sai Cooperative Non-Agricultural Thrift and Credit Society Limited. Petitioner number 1 before this court claims to be the founder member of the said society. He claims to be the elected president of the society in terms of the General House meeting convened on 22/1/2023. To cut the controversy short, the entire dispute was that the elections of the managing committee as per the authorities held on 22/11/2023 were null and void for the reason that no election process was initiated by the managing committee of the society 90 days prior to the expiry of the term of the previous managing committee of the society. In these circumstances, the elections were held to be bad by the authority and an administrator was appointed. Feeling aggrieved, the petitioners earlier filed CWP number 2993 of 2025 before this court, which was disposed of by this court in terms of order dated 7/4/2025 by setting aside the earlier order passed by Deputy RCS Himachal Pradesh and by remanding the matter to the said authority to decide the appeal afresh. Now, in terms of the impugned order, the authority has dismissed the appeal again.